Good morning students, this is me Dhavla Pandey from NLK Group of Schools. We are here to learn our new topic, subtraction. Keywords for subtraction are take away, give away, left with, difference. Keywords for subtraction are take away, give away, left with, difference. Suppose we have a number here that is 54 and the other number is 21 and we have to find out their answer after subtraction. So 4 minus 1 will be 3 and 5 minus 2 will be 3. So 33 is the answer of 54 minus 21, where 54 is the minuend and 21 is the subtrahend. So 54 is the minuend here, 21 is the subtrahend, and the answer after subtraction is called difference. So 33 is the difference. Let's move ahead with the other concept. Now we will try this with the other numbers. That is, we have to subtract 2346 from 5469. So 9 minus 6 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. So, the answer or the difference for the following sum is 3123. Now, we will learn the subtraction of number with borrows. See, we have been given two numbers here. They are 7963 minus 4557. First of all, to solve this sum, we need to arrange them in column method. We have arranged the sum in column method. Now, we have to see, is it possible for us to take away 7 from 3? No. So, we will move forward to the other number, that is 6 here. So, we will give it a borrow, then this 3 will become 13. It is possible for us now to take away 7 from 13. 13 minus 7 will give us 6. Now, the other number 6 is only left up with 5 as it has given a borrow. 5 minus 5 will give us 0. Now we have 9 here. 9 minus 5 will give us 4 and 7 minus 4 will give us 3. Hence, the answer or the difference for the following number is 3406. Now we will move ahead with the other concept that has all the numbers as zeros. All the numbers are 0 except the number on the left hand side, and we will subtract a number with digits from it. We have here 9000 minus 6549. So first of all, we will arrange it again in column method. Now we have to see here that we have to take away 6549 from 9000. Let's start doing it. Is it possible for us to take away 9 from 0? No. So we'll move on to the other number. Is it possible for 0 to give borrow to 0? No. Okay, we'll again move on to the other number at 100th place. We have 0 here. We'll see, is it possible for 0 to give borrow to 0? No. We'll again move on to the other number, that is 9. Is it possible for 9 to borrow to 0? Yes. So we'll make this 10. We'll make here this also 10. And this will also be 10. Now start solving this. 10 minus 9 will give us 1. Now moving ahead, we'll see here, this has given it a borrow. So this 10 will be left out with 9. 9 minus 4 will give us 5. Moving on to the other sum, we have 10 here. Again, this 10 has given a borrow, then this will become 9. 9 minus 5 will be 4. This 9 gave a borrow to 0, so this becomes 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. So, the answer for this sum is 2451. It was not possible for 0 to give away 9 from it. So, the answer, we started taking borrow from the other number at its left side. So, we got the answer as 2451, which is also known as difference. Now, we'll move ahead with the properties of subtraction. We will move ahead with the properties of subtraction. There are two basic properties of subtraction. One says, if we subtract a number from itself, it gives us 0. The first property says that if we subtract a number from itself, it gives us 0. Let's see an example. First property says, as we told you, subtracting number from itself gives 0. That is 5469 minus 5469 will give us 0. Yes, subtracting the number from itself gives 0. The other property says that subtracting 0 from any number gives the same number. Subtracting 0 from any number gives the same number. That is, on subtracting 5469 and from this number, if we subtract 0, we will get the same number. That is 5469. So, we have the other concept that says combine addition and subtraction. Combine addition and subtraction. For example, where we get, these are the sums where we get both addition and subtraction together. For example, we have here 5497 minus 3442 plus 4976. First of all, in these sums, what we have to do is, we have to add the number with addition sign. That is, we will be adding 5497 plus 4976. We will first of all copy them in column method. We have written the number in column method now. We will solve it. 7 plus 6 gives us 13. So, we will write 3 here and 1 carry. 9 and 1 is 10. 10 and 7 is 17. So, 7 will be here and 1 carry. 4 and 1 is 5. 5 and 9 is 14. So, we will write 4 here and 1 carry. 5 and 1 is 6. 6 and 4 is 10. So, the final answer which we have got after addition is 10,473. This is called sum. Answer for addition is called sum. Now, we will take away 3,442 from this 10,473. So, we have written this in column method. Let's proceed ahead. 3 minus 2 gives us 1. 7 minus 4 gives us 3. 4 minus 4 gives us 0. Then we have 0 here. It is not possible for us to take away 3 from 0. So we will take a borrow from 1. So this will become 10. 10 minus 3 gives us 7. So the difference or the answer for this sum becomes 7031. So here 7031 is the difference. Now we will move on to the other concept, that is checking of answers. So yes, now we have been given here a number, that is 9756, and we have to take away 4254 from this. First of all, we will arrange these numbers in column method. So we have numbers here in column method. They are 9756 minus 4254. So 6 minus 4 will give us 2. 5 minus 5 will give us 0. Minus 2 will give us 5. And 9 minus 4 will give us 5. So this is the answer when we did 9756 minus 4254. So now for checking the answer, we have to add the difference and the subtrahend. Now we have here subtrahend and difference. We have to add them to get minuend. That is 4 plus 2 will give us 6. 5 plus 0 will give us 5. 2 plus 5 will give us 7. And last 4 plus 5 will give us 9. So this clearly tells us that the first answer, the first question from where we started, is all equal to the last one. Hence, this is the way to check our answers. Bye bye students, we'll be meeting ahead.